This is a hobby that I've been interested in since I was 2 years old and never left the hobby. My wife's tolerated me coming down in the basement and playing with the trains. Many of the engines and the locomotives are all kit-bashed, modified to be as Canadian locomotives would be. Many of the cars, especially passenger cars, are all hand decorated and painted because they're not available from the hobby stores, so you have to make our own Canadian. At the present time, I have over 50 locomotives and 500 pieces of rolling stock, from very old locomotives to very new ones. And it's a nice hobby because it's a nice, relaxing, cutting away from the pressures of the day, and you can come down here and spend time with your trains and enjoy your own little world.